Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan ang tungkol dito kay Ethereum, kung saan ay yung mga addresses po rito kay Ethereum ay nagkaroon na po ng profit, na pag-angat sa kanilang profit na umaabot ng 75%. Yan. At si Ethereum ay yan, nakakaharap po siya ng isang potential free flow. Ayan, sa presyong $2,500. Kaya yan, mukhang maganda po ang ipinapakitang performance ngayon ni Ethereum. At ayan, bago po tayo magpatuloy ay nais ko lamang po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. Ayan, sabi rito ay the majority of addresses holding Ethereum or ETH are now in profit. Ayan. Karamihan daw po sa mga nag-hold ng Ethereum ngayon ay meron na po silang nakikita na profit or kita sa kanilang mga hold na Ethereum. Offering a positive outlook for the future of the asset amid a potential surge to $2,500. Ayan, according to the in and out of the money metric from crypto analytics platform Into the Block or ITB, these profitable holders account for 75% of wallets with Ethereum on the network. Ayan, ibig sabihin ay yung 75% po na ito na mga wallets ay dami po nito. Daming mga holders nito. Halos parang masasabi natin na majority ng holders ni Ethereum ay nasa in profit na po sila, or may nakikita na po silang kita sa kanilang mga Ethereum na holdings. Yan, is Ethereum getting ready for new highs? The in and out of the money situation shows 75% of holders in profit with no serious resistance zones until it moves about $2,500. Yan, does this mean it's a clean run to a new all-time high? Not necessarily. Ayan. Ito nga ba magpapatuloy sa kanyang para mabasag yung kanyang or magkaroon ng panibagong all-time high? Yan daw po yung tanong. Kaya ayan, meron po siyang pinakitang chart dito. Ayan, yung mga for content, the data shows 77.72 million addresses are in profit, leaving 21.91 million holders at a loss. In addition, the traders marked by the gray ball in the ITB post are at a break-even point, and there are 3.98 million addresses in this zone. Ayan, ang dami pong mga nasa 77.72 million na mga addresses ang ang may kita na. Yan, or naka-profit na, nagpapakita ng profit or gain. At nasa 21.91 million na mga wallets naman ang kasalukuyang nasa loss. Ayan. Profitability, what to expect. Presenting the result on X, Into the Block shows there's no major resistance ahead for the Ethereum price until it reaches the $2,500 level. Ayan, wala daw pong major resistance line. Ayan, hanggang sa maabot nito ang presyong $2,500. Kaya ibig sabihin ay magiging mabilis yung kanyang pag-akyat hanggang dito sa presyong $2,500. This impressive outlook is currently driving a bullish optimism for Ethereum's price. Despite the promises presented by this metric, the data analytics provider issued a note of caution to traders who might expect a full ride toward a new all-time high. ITB acknowledged that Ethereum traders historically take profits now that the majority are in profit. This trend, if it repeats itself, might fuel some pullbacks, but ITB expects this will not impact Ethereum's longer-term prospects. Ayan, maaaring magkaroon daw ng pullback, pero hindi daw po ito magkakaroon ng impact dito kay Ethereum sa kanyang mga long-term na prospects. Another interesting perspective on Ethereum's prospects emerged from top market analyst Ali Martinez. Ayan na naman, si Ginoong Ali Martinez. Ayan, isa po siyang technical analyst expert. Ayan, lagi pong kinukonsulta ng mga news outlets. Yan. Drawing on the coin's latest run above the psychologically important levels at $2,000, Martinez highlighted how intriguing this milestone is, seeing whales have not started accumulating the coin. Yan. Ethereum has reclaimed the $2,000 threshold. And intriguingly, this is all happening before whales have even started buying it. Yan. Yan po yung kanyang pinakita na charts, Ali charts. The Ethereum ETF intrigue. Though Ethereum's YTD or yearly YTD growth of 73% trails behind that of a Bitcoin or BTC at 123%. It remains a higher performer. While retail holders can take accolades for the current rally, the prospect of a potential Ethereum spot ETF complements the growing optimism. In a not so shocking twist, prominent asset manager BlackRock applied to list its iShares Ethereum Trust, a move welcome with many expectations. Ayan, na-content na po natin ito. Ito yung application ng BlackRock para sa kanilang Ethereum exchange traded fund. The possibility that the market might get this product through BlackRock and other applicants like Grayscale underscores the push to create a regulated pathway for corporate or institutional investors to gain exposure to Ethereum. If achieved, the long-term prospects of Ethereum look bright, as inferred by Into the Block and other market experts. Ethereum is trading for $2,087, up by 2.86% over the past 24 hours and a whopping 33% over the past 7 days. Kaya, ayan. Ayon po sa mga eksperto rito ay maaaring tuloy-tuloy lamang daw po sa pag-angat si Ethereum sa mga susunod na araw at posibleng mahit po niya ang presyong $2,500 kasi nandito po yung major resistance line sa presyong nasa $2,500. Kaya, ayan, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan, pag-click lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pag-click na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siyang magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panonood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.